Happy birthday, Marian! Kasi I'm gonna study na. Never-ending study. Hey there, today is a Saturday and as a 1-6 student, every Saturday is his day for us. And medyo pack yung schedule namin kasi until 7 kami and we have a reporting, we have quiz. Parang lagi kami may quiz, no? Pero, yan. So talagang, ganun talaga siya today. And hindi pa sure, pero after class ata is we're gonna go to SM Asma to surprise our friend, si Marian. Kasi birthday niya tomorrow and wala naman kami pasok tomorrow. So parang early birthday celebration. And it is currently 7:20 a.m. in the morning and 18 plus po. So we're just killing our time here sa Cafe Verde. Okay. On the way to the library because it's open na. Ay! Hala! Hala, sarado pa. Oh no! Kung saan? Wait nga. Wait guys. I am confused. Why is it still closed? Okay. Kasi every Saturday pala, ang live namin is mag-open ng 8 a.m. Pero kasi we have class. Wait lang. Ay. Okay. Sa Lourdes daw yung room namin. 3rd floor. Ano ba yan? Sorry kasi first meeting namin sa Hislek. So, hindi ko talaga alam saan yung room pa. Ano ba yan? Anyway, come on. Medyo konti lang talaga yung tao today kasi it's Saturday nga. And ang may pasok lang ata is 1-5, 1-6 na sections. And then some second year students.
Dito ka na ba kanina?
Oo, bawalan mo. Akala ko sa sa live yung lek. Kasi lek. Hey, why are you studying?
Mamaya magpapasisip. Di ba nag-aaral?
Me too.
Nagbasa na ako kung na hinakapi ako ng health insurance at mas 96 yung
Batangas.
Bulacan. Yes, Bulacan. Ay, salamat.
Tama ang hinala. May quiz kami sa lek. Ay, me too! Kaya nga eh.
Thank you so much.
Oy, ang bagay.
Hi, vlog ni Ella.
Okay!
Oo, sige mo na. Ito kayo nakikita ko rin yung Kakatapos lang ng first subject namin. And nag-quiz kami there. Ano siya? Post-quiz naman kasi yung last time, nagpa-asynchronous siya. May pinawatch siya sa aming recording session. So, ayun yung pina-quiz niya. And then, we had a group activity. Then, ayun, discussion about sa next topic. Mag-isa ko ngayon sa lab kasi lunchtime na. It is 11:06 a.m. Ayun, hindi ako nag-lodge kasi may reporting nga and may quiz ulit. So, ayun, sabi ko, una na sila. Mamaya na ako kakain. merong ulit group activity later. Later lang siya ibibigay, pero alam na namin. Ayun. Mamaya na lang ulit. Kasi I'm gonna study na. Never-ending studying.
Okay? So, sige, ano diba? Make sure, ano po yung mga requirements per group today. So, of course, the presentation. So, just to clear everything about the presentation. So, next week, pipili na kami on the spot kung sino po yung mga represent.
A, B, C, D, F, G.
Pwede si Firm, ayo. Oo nga. Figaro, ay Firm pa Figaro. It has met the requirements. Sunnies.
Pakita mo.
Ang bakit? Dito mo na lang timer.
Happy birthday!
Di ba tama naman?
Palaka, parang palaka.
Palala.
And offers
Billion,
we have
137
acquired from the
million,
organization.
250,000. Total bed capacity of these 5 hospitals.
Start of the demographic profile of Batangas. Batangas has 31 municipalities. Republic Act number 11086, which states that
By the secondary hospital. The key officials are also shown in the infographics.
So, this information is according to the executive summary capacity of these hospitals. There will be a huge disparity when it's...
Ng clinic mismo.
Ay, oo, yung ano,
Nice size yun.
yung parang land area gano'n.
merong mga square meters din yun. Pero I'm talking about the services that they offer.
English?
Talking about the service.
Okay, class.
Bitch, start tripping, now I'm blue. Mega man, I can't win for losing, cause I got too many haters, man. Used to be the paper boy, grew up now I'm mega man. Player one, player two, show your ass what players do. Up, down, left, right, hit them with a stronger time. Yeah, I smoke the strongest, man. Tell me what is wrong with me.
Katapos lang ng report. It's a task.
Base ko lang yung infographics namin, pero na-irapos namin.
Sabi ni sir, bakit kulang yung ano? Sabi niya, titake mo. Ayoko naman sagutin eh. Nag-intay siya yung sagot na ano, bakit wala? Pero hindi niya pinush na. Tapos biglang umbis na tayo. Ano niya pinush na?
Programs to prevent infectious diseases.
I have a twin. No.
Ay, hindi pala ako kita.
Sabihin mo, pupunta na tayong Oval.
Guys, we're going to the Oval. Ako lang pala. Ako lang.
Itaas mo!
We're going to the Oval. Hindi sila kita. Hindi kita. Wow!
Entertain them.
I don't know how to vlog. You vlog.
Lalo na yung mga innocent sa talaga. Breaks my heart. My heart, my soul.
My love. No, you. It's fine.
Oo, ano?
Yeah. Hey, pretty girl. Happy birthday, Marian! Yeah. By the way, guys, we're here at Peri Peri because it's her birthday. Maging masaya ka naman, ate ko. I'm here with the Rebels. Ano ni Mickey? Traffic ba?
po pala doon, not available po yung fries namin. Papalitan na lang daw po ng potato chip.